were both still kids and they were very good friends. And now, they're both grown up. They're still good friends, but whenever they're hungry, they didn't want to share the food and they are very greedy. So usually they would always fight for the food. But one day, Sura and Baya were looking for food like usual, but didn't want to share again, so they fought again. But after several hours, Sura and Baya stopped fighting to come up with a plan to stop the fighting. Sura said, Hey Baya, I got a plan to stop our fighting. Then Baya said, Oh really? What is it? Sura answered with, So what if I search for food in the sea and you search for food on land? Then Baya said, Oh, that sounds pretty solid. Let's do it. After a few days, it actually worked and they stopped fighting. But one day, Sura was bored of his whole plan of eating seafood all the time. So he decided to go on land and search for food nearby the lake. But he was scared. Baya saw him eating food and he really ate a lot. So he got mad and decided to confront him. Hey, what do you think you're doing? Then Sura said, Oh,